In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to trade crypto with Pepperstone. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go up to pepperstone.com, and then from here you'll need to log into your account or register for an account if you don't already have one. From here it should bring something like this, and here you'll need to go up to the launch web trader up here up right over application. Once you've done that, a new page will pop up where you'll see that it will connect you to Pepperstone, and it should look something like this. From here you'll be seeing a bunch of different things like these 24-hour trading US shares, but if you click on it right here you'll see the public list, and then from here you'll see crypto. Once you click on crypto you'll see that you'll have access to trade Cardano, Avalanche, BCH, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Polkadot, Ethereum, and all these other different cryptocurrencies. Now to buy them, you simply need to select one of them, right click on it, and then click buy order. From here you'll see this page right here, and as you can see you'll see the symbol, you'll see the market type where you can choose either market or limited or stop loss. You'll see how many lots you want to buy, and then you can see the total price down here. You can also click here to add protection orders where you can add stop loss and take profit if you want to do that. But from here you'll simply need to click send order. And as you can see here, order filled, and to sell them again you'll simply need to hover over them again, right click on it and click sell order, and then sell the order right here. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!